You are watching Safe Online Shopping Playlist, the list of short videos dedicated to safe online shopping. What to choose to use, credit card or debit card? Why you need two-factor authentication, virtual credit card for online purchasing and more. Watch this video to know. What to choose to use, credit card or debit card? Credit cards can be the safer choice for online shopping. If someone manages to intercept your financial information online, they can do less damage and you have more recourse than if you'd used a debit card. This is for two reasons. Credit cards have spending limits, while debit cards, which are directly linked to your bank account, do not. You can dispute fraudulent charges made to a credit card without being out of pocket the amount in dispute, but money withdrawn directly from your checking account by a debit card is much more difficult to recover. Consider using a credit card with a low credit limit, specifically for your online purchases. And some banks now offer one-time use or virtual credit cards that are designed specifically for online shopping. These are good only for one transaction from a specific vendor. When using a credit card, you'll usually get the best liability protection, online and offline. Here's why. If someone racks up unauthorized charges on your credit card, federal regulations say you won't have to pay while the card company investigates. Most major credit cards offer $0 liability for fraudulent purchases. Meanwhile, your liability for unauthorized charges on your debit card is capped at $50 if you report it within 2 business days. But if someone uses your account and you don't report the theft, after 60 days you may not be reimbursed at all. Enabling two-factor authentication for your online transactions and account logins gives you an added layer of protection. Having this in place will alert you to fraudulent transactions that are about to take place, giving you time to alert your bank and lodge a report. Some online retailers offer the option of storing your credit card information after you have made a transaction. While this provides more convenience for future transactions, you may be putting your credit card information at risk. Major companies have suffered data breaches and have their customers' credit card information stolen. You should not store your credit card information online. In the same way, you should not provide your credit card details over email or a phone call. Similarly, you should avoid having your credit card information stored on your browser by disabling the autocomplete feature. In Chrome, go to Settings and select Advanced. Under the Passwords and Forms section, click AutoFill settings. Delete any credit card information that has been stored automatically, and toggle off the option to AutoFill Forms. In Firefox, go to Options. Under the Privacy and Security section, go to the History section and select Use Custom Settings for History under the drop-down menu. Uncheck Remember Search and Form History. In Safari, go to Preferences and select Autofill. Uncheck the options to remember form data, including the option for credit cards. Paying for items using your smartphone is pretty standard these days in brick-and-mortar stores and is actually even more secure than using your credit card. Using a mobile payment app like Apple Pay generates a one-time use authentication code for the purchase that no one else could ever steal and use. Plus, you're avoiding card skimmers. You don't even need to take your credit card with you if you only go to places that accept phone-based payments. How does that matter if you're online shopping? Many phone apps now accept payment using Apple Pay and Google Pay. You just need your fingerprint, face, or passcode to make it happen instantly. Some banks offer nifty tools that act like an online version of your card, a virtual credit card. The issuer will randomly generate a number that's linked to your account, and you can use it anywhere online and choose when the number expires. It might be best to generate a new number every time you buy something online or when you shop with a new retailer. Anyone who tries to use that number will be out of luck. Now you're going to see a list of videos fully describing online shopping procedure. Do not buy anything online until you watch all these videos in the list for secure online shopping. In the end of this video, you may click on the playlist that contains all these videos. Click the playlist and get to better know how to do safe online shopping. and be protected from possible online retail scams. Choose the subject you are interested in and get it, or you may watch them later by subscribing to the channel. It's up to you.